Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 17th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at how the markets did today. Again, we saw more green across our screen here. For the most part, the Dow up 157, a fresh new all-time high. The S&P squeezing out a small gain here of about 2 points. Was higher earlier, actually did make a new fresh all-time high as well. The Nasdaq up 38 points, while the Russell gave back approximately 8 points here. Crude oil up something we haven't seen in a while here, up 42 cents. Gold adding another 16 points and looking pretty good here. Silver, silver down, well, pretty much flat on the day. Bond yields were higher. The dollar continues to climb here, and the VIX dropping back to 1910. Overall, not a very eventful day, but there was something eventful after market close. Netflix announced earnings. And you can see what happened during the session. It was down about 2% or a little over 14 points, but they announced earnings and they did beat top and bottom line um, here. And I think they beat their subscriber number just barely, but they did. And so far in the after hours action, they are up about 3.5% or almost 25 points here. Right now, they were closed at 687.65, currently trading at 711.50 here. Uh, this can change a lot. We've got the conference call coming up and a lot of time before the market opens tomorrow for people to mull this over and decide what they want to do. So who knows where it's going to open, but if we do get back above here, and especially back above the 20, we're likely to go higher. This is the prior all-time high over here at 736. So if we can open somewhere here and close out the day above the 20 tomorrow, we are likely to see this run. Couple more ideas here. QTWO looking like a decent setup here as well. Right along the upsloping 20. Reason why it's not colored in green, not my favorite. The options are not very liquid, but um, looking at this, if we trade above today's high, we're pretty much in the clear here, and sitting not at an all-time high, but sitting in an area where there's going to be a lot less overhead resistance, right? So looking pretty good there. And on the flip side, Etsy not looking good at all. In fact, it's looking pretty good as a short here. Now we don't have a signal yet, but have a look at this. The higher time frames are also below the 20. Here, if we look at the weekly, there it is, and the monthly, here it is. And there is a gap now in support until we get down below 20. So we're currently at 50.75. From there to the 20 area, I mean, there's about a 30-point potential move lower without much support. So Etsy is looking like a decent short here. So just a couple of things that I'm monitoring here as we head into the end of the week. Earlier this morning, we did get retail sales number that came in a little stronger than expected, and the initial jobless claims, which came in a little lighter than expected. Tomorrow morning, we get building permits and housing starts, and then a bunch of Fed officials speaking throughout the day. But the building permits, housing starts both come in before market open. So we'll see if there's any effect on the futures and then go from there. A reminder, we are having another live market chat tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern. Come on and join us. But until then, that's about it for now. Enjoy your evening, and we'll see you on our next update. Take care.